To add a new refund service purchase, the user must navigate to the Procurement menu, click on the Transaction submenu, and select the Refund Service Purchase option. This will display the homepage of the Refund Service Purchase menu. To add a new Refund Service Purchase transaction, click the Add button located at the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form will appear. Select the business unit for which the Refund Service Purchase is to be created. The transaction reference will be automatically generated as configured in the Reference Formula option in the Settings menu. Next, click on the Supplier field and select the supplier by searching with the exact alphabet keyword so the system can fetch the relevant result. The user can enter any special reference for this Refund Service Purchase transaction. The currency will be automatically fetched based on the selected business unit. Rates will be generated as per the uploaded value. If no data is available, the system will fetch the rate from an online platform. Rates can be changed during the transaction. The date field will be filled by the system with the current date, and it can be changed to previous dates if required. The user can edit the preferred rate field if needed. Otherwise, the rate configured in the settings against the base currency will be shown. The cost center can be selected from the drop-down menu either by scrolling or filtering with the appropriate characters. The payment method can be selected from the drop-down menu. By default, credit 15 days will be shown as configured in the system. Any notes to be included can be entered in the Notes field, and attachments, if any, can be added by clicking the Browse option. In the Materials section, the user can enter the service as free text in the provided field and specify the quantity along with the price. Then enter the discount and VAT percentage, if applicable. Any notes related to the service can be entered in the appropriate field. To add multiple entries, click the green plus icon. The system will display a new empty row where the user can again enter the service and other details as before. The system provides an option to handle bulk processing by uploading services in Excel format. Click the displayed icon to download the template, enter all service details, save the Excel file, and select Import from XLS to upload the data seamlessly. All entered values will be reflected in the Total section, including the total quantity of services to be refunded, the total amount, total discount, and total VAT. The net amount for the transaction will be displayed in the appropriate field. Once all details are entered, click Save. The transaction will be saved successfully and will be visible on the home page. Initially, the transaction will be in draft status, allowing the user to make necessary changes. To view a Refund Service Purchase transaction, click the View icon under the Action column to see the transaction details. To edit a Refund Service Purchase transaction, click the Edit icon. The Add Refund Service Purchase screen will open in edit mode, where the user can make the necessary changes. And once the changes are made, the user can save the updated data. A transaction can be edited only while it is in draft status. Once the status changes to confirmed, no updates can be made. A duplicate option is provided to reduce user effort. The system will create a duplicate entry of the Refund Service Purchase transaction with pre-filled data, which the user can modify and save as a new entry. If the user attempts to print a transaction while it is in draft status, an error message will be displayed. To print a transaction, the user must first confirm it by clicking the Confirm option under the Action column. After confirmation, clicking the Print option will open the Refund Service Purchase printout in a new tab. The Delete option under the Action column will be disabled once the Refund Service Purchase transaction is in confirmed status. To delete a Refund Service Purchase transaction, ensure the transaction is in draft status and click the Delete icon. A confirmation message will appear, and upon approval, the transaction will be deleted.